Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the exact script that I used. I say script, it wasn't really a script, it was just something that I said to get my first 2 clients. It was absolutely amazing. I made $50 in my first day freelancing by doing this one thing, this one simple thing. I'm going to get into it in a second, but first, my name is Reece. I upload daily videos on business, entrepreneurship, and how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. You're going to love the video and you're going to love the channel and the content, especially if you love this one. So anyway, to get into it, I made $50 from 2 tasks. I made 18 pounds from each, which I'm not sure what that is in dollars, but 18 plus 18 is 36 pounds, but it came out to $50.04. So that's pretty good for your first day. Like I got that on my first day from this very simple script that I'm going to show you in a second. And it was just pretty cool. Like it felt so amazing to get my first client, especially on the first day. I created my profile on the website, I'll tell you. Created my profile, wrote a little profile thing. Actually, I'm going to get that up so I can read that out to you as well and show you that. And it was just so crazy. Like I just didn't expect to get my first freelancing client in the first day, but it was really simple. So basically the task that I had, the website that I use is called freelancer.com. Like I didn't use Upwork. I'm trying to get accepted for Upwork, but I'm struggling at the moment. It's really difficult, but it happens. So so basically I just got started on Freelancer, made a profile. I took a really bad picture of myself. I went out with my friend, took a really bad picture. Not very it's not my favorite picture of myself, but it did the trick. I set my payment per hour for 15 USD per hour, so $15 an hour, and this is what I wrote as my thing. I wrote Reece M. I wrote Reece Moss, but it says Reece M, social media marketing and management. And then I said, clients I have worked with include a multi-gold selling music artist, multi-million-dollar Amazon sellers, one of the largest music distribution companies in the UK, clothing brands, social media influencers, dentists, and even a basketball player for the NBA. I am the owner of a digital marketing agency, and over the past 2 years I have established impressive skills in digital marketing. I have previous experience in freelancing, consulting, and working with many different clients from many different industries. In addition to freelance work and working with my digital marketing agency, I also have built a fast-growing personal brand, over 5,000 followers online and over 50,000 views on YouTube. In my business, I have created several websites ranging from simple, informative to more interactive websites. Some of my most prominent skills include social media marketing, social media management, advertising growth with the largest social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Now obviously you're thinking, wait a second, you don't have 5,000 followers, and you don't have 50,000 views. I have close to it, but I don't have 50,000 views. And that's basically me over the past years. I mentioned in another video a couple of days ago, I've had different different YouTube channels over the years, and I just accumulated that all together because that's exactly what I did, right? That's the results that I've built. And the reason that I'm reading this out to you guys is basically this is what you need to form it around, okay? You need to form it around the fact that you know what you're doing. Bring some credibility, just kind of show them, look, I know what I'm doing. And honestly, most of the time they're not even going to read the profile. But obviously I started with saying, multi-gold selling music artists, multi-million-dollar Amazon sellers, which is completely true, mostly from my consulting, my personal brand consulting, and the music artists from my digital marketing agency. But this different stuff I brought together, and I just used it to show I'm credible, I know what I'm doing. And that's especially important when you have 0 reviews, no jobs, 0 recommendations, 0 jobs completed, all of that, a completely fresh page. You need some credibility, and that's exactly what I brought. So one of the very first, I got one of the very first jobs that I applied to. He wanted somebody, he literally just said YouTube channel. The problem with freelancer.com, and by the way, if you want to sign up to it, use the link below. It's free $20 when you use my link. It's special, I got it for you. So use that. And it basically says, look, there was 23 bids for the job, and you basically say, okay, for this price I will do this for you. So his budget was 10 to 20 pounds. I'm not too sure what that is in dollars, just a little bit more, maybe like $25 or so. And then I came out with a bid of $18 for something that I thought to myself, okay, this would take about an hour of work, so $18 for an hour is not too bad. especially for my first thing, you know, I lowered, like I said $15 for an hour, but I was happy to do it for 18, you know, for the job, for the work that I'm gonna read to you. So, you know, he just wanted YouTube channel. I had no idea what he wanted, but I guess, okay, he wanted someone to set up a YouTube channel. So this is what I said to him. I said, hey, firstly, welcome to YouTube. I myself started on YouTube at the beginning of November. I have since amassed over 30,762 views and 293 subscribers. To help you start your YouTube off to a successful start, this is what I propose. Keyword research for your channel and your first 5 videos. I will write your channel description, add your social media links and contact information. I will create a channel banner for you. I will supply you with the secrets of how I have reached the views and subscribers that I have in such a short time. Check out my channel here with the link. I'm happy to hop on a quick 20-minute call before you accept my proposal so I can answer any questions you have. Looking forward to speaking more soon, Reece. Now, I didn't need that 20-minute call. We just spoke a little in chat, and he basically accepted me right away. He tried to like hustle me down on the cost, but I was like, no, I'm not doing any more because I had to pay, you have to pay Freelancer a little bit. It's not too much. I got £15 for it. The bid was 18, so you know I paid them like a couple pounds, which they take straight out of the thing. Like if you say, okay, I want £15 for this, they just add theirs on top, and that's what the bid comes to. So no, it was really cool. That's all I had to say to him. Very simple. It was not like I'm not writing amazing copy here. I'm not trying to sell him on something crazy. I'm just saying, look, I'm gonna get this done for you. I'm gonna charge you this. I can do this. Like it's something that I know how to do. So you know, obviously show off a little bit, but not too much. But just kind of bring out a sales point. Just say to him, look, this is what you want, and this is how I'm gonna provide it. I've got experience doing it, and then they're gonna hire you. It's really, really simple. That's what I did, and I got this client once, and then straight after he was like, hey man, I need another job, can you do this? I was like, I didn't even know how to do what he wanted to do, but he wanted to create a TV channel, something like that, and I was like, you know what, let me check it out for you. I went on to what's it called, I just googled it, different ways to create it, found out how to do it, said to him, you know what, yeah, I'll do it for you. He was like, okay, cool, I'll pay you £18 again. Cool, no worries. I did it. I actually haven't done it yet. I'm waiting for him to send me something so I can get it. But, you know, pretty easy work for $50. Probably taken me about 2 hours altogether, even less, for the $50. So it's pretty good for my first client. Since then, I haven't actually been looking. I have applied to a few, and obviously you're not going to get all of them, so I have been declined on a couple. Actually, not necessarily declined, I just haven't heard back, which is going to happen sometimes if you make a bid, but that's cool, you know, I made $50 my first day. I'm hardly going to complain that I haven't had any others since. But my main piece of advice, if you're using Freelancer, my main thing that I need to recommend to you guys is use these things called milestones. Now, I didn't really know what they were when I started, so make sure you read in the help section about the payments, but milestones are basically used to protect your client and yourself to make sure you get paid. So in this, I had I was doing like 4 different tasks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 different tasks. What I should have done is said, okay, keyword research is 1 milestone, channel description, social media links, and contact information is another, and he would have paid me every time I did one of those things. So I would know that he's not scamming me and I'm actually getting paid here. So, you know, if you are doing something for someone, if you're making a website, then say to them, okay, look, milestone for 1 page and another milestone for another page and so on. So every time you complete a page, they'll have a look at it, pay you for that page, then you get on to the next one, and that way, you know, you're getting paid as you do the work. So they're not going to scam you. You're not going to like trip out and scam them or anything. Excuse me, and everything's all going to go fine. So, you know, that's perfect, really simple to do, it's really easy, you're not going to struggle. So guys, the last thing that I'm going to end this video in, again, just going to tell you about the link down below. It is a referral link, but you also got $20 when you click it. So go and click the link, make an account on Freelancer, get $20 for free, absolutely doing nothing. It's really gonna, I didn't even know about that. I didn't even get that $20. I wish I did, but I didn't when I first started out. So guys, if you got value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe. I upload daily videos on business, entrepreneurship and how to make money online. So I'll see you again tomorrow with a new video.